In the quiet town of Norbrook, where secrets whispered through the rustling leaves, Lauren, a resilient 70-year-old, embarked on her nightly journey to the sacred resting place of her daughter, Crystal. The day had surrendered to the encroaching night, and Lauren, armed with a key and unwavering determination, locked her door, ready to confront the shadows of sorrow. Before we let you know what is happening, help us out by clicking the like button, and also be sure to subscribe and click the notification button so you don't miss our future videos. The heavens, acknowledging her quest, began to drizzle, each dropping a poignant companion to Lauren's silent grief. The path to the grave, a fresh addition to the town's landscape, stretched before her like a journey through the veiled memories of the past 36 hours. A dream, foreboding and surreal, had haunted Lauren, urging her to seek solace amidst the tombstones. As she approached the site, the rain intensified, mingling with the tears that flowed freely down Lauren's somber face. Crystal's grave, devoid of a tombstone but encircled by a fence erected by her devoted husband, Michael, held the weight of an untimely departure. The grave, a canvas of emotions, bore the traces of Lauren's grief and the love that transcended mortal boundaries. With meticulous care, she attended to the sacred space, whispering words of solace to a daughter she could no longer hold. "Your husband is miserable without you. I'm not sure how long he will be able to live without you," she uttered, a lament woven into the petals she gently placed on the moist ground. Crystal, a woman of unyielding ambition and success, had built an empire of 5 flourishing restaurants in the village. Her relentless pursuit of perfection and commitment to her craft had propelled her to remarkable heights. Yet, the success came at a price. And Michael, a witness to her toil, feared for her well-being. Michael, a pillar of support and unconditional love, had shared in Crystal's triumphs and tribulations. His efforts to provide comfort after her long days of hard work were a testament to a love that weathered life's storms. Yet, the storm that swept away Crystal's life left Michael, their child, and Lauren shattered. The cleansing ritual of the grave was complete, but an unexpected symphony of mysterious noises disrupted the silence. Lauren, attuned to the unexpected, crouched beside the grave, the rain-drenched earth beneath her. The ethereal melody of an unfamiliar voice resonated from the depths of the burial ground, uttering words that defied the finality of death. "I'm alive. Please help," the voice pleaded. With a surge of determination, Lauren sought assistance from the skeptical guardians of the cemetery. Unfazed by their disbelief, she resorted to persuasion, doubling the stakes to unravel the mystery beneath the rain-soaked soil. Reluctantly, the guards joined her, their shovels biting into the earth like the keys to an unsolved enigma. As the grave revealed its secrets, Crystal, with eyes slightly ajar, proclaimed her survival before succumbing to the unconscious realm. In the hospital's sterile embrace, the revelation unfolded. A sinister poison coursed through Crystal's veins. Questions swirled in Lauren's mind, suspicions casting shadows on those close to Crystal. A return home brought an unexpected visitor, Michael, a picture of grief and despair. His presence raised doubts. And as Lauren contemplated the possibility of betrayal, a peculiar offer of wine heightened the tension. Michael's intentions were veiled, and Lauren covertly recorded his actions, each frame revealing a darker truth. A plan to add a mysterious substance to her drink unfolded, and Lauren, armed with evidence, orchestrated her escape. The house, a stage for deception, became the setting for a confrontation with the forces of darkness. As the police intervened, Michael, cornered and desperate, attempted to escape justice by taking his own life. Foamy substances at his lips, he lay on the floor, the repercussions of his sinister plot manifesting in a groan of pain. Justice, swift and unyielding, intervened as Michael faced imprisonment for his treacherous act. Crystal, on the path to physical recovery, now grappled with the emotional wounds inflicted by a once-beloved partner. The grave, once a symbol of loss, became a beacon of resilience and truth. a testament to Lauren's unwavering pursuit of justice amidst the shadows.